Peep the nails, super cute. Yes, giving. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Mia Vibes, and I'm back again for another video. So today I just wanted to do a little behind the camera. I am super tired. It is about 1 o'clock here, and yeah, this is the Roman satchel bag in signature canvas, medium corner zip wallet in signature canvas, corner zip wristlet in signature canvas with stripes, glitter, butterfly compact mirror. Let's go ahead and get into this video. I wanted just to do a cute little unboxing for you guys and just make this quick. I don't even have to do too much talking. I'm gonna unbox everything and then I'm going to decorate the bag and get back to you guys at the end of the video. I hope you guys like it. This bag is so cute. Decorations did not go as planned, y'all. It's pink. They say it's fuchsia, but you know, it's like, I don't know, it's different shades of fuchsia to me. I don't know, I can't explain it, but it is not matching my pink. So look, that does not match at all. So that's not giving. This is 210. I don't think that it matches at all. I don't know, it might. What y'all think? Because I'm a Scorpio, so I just clipped it back there. I feel like that's cute. That matches a bit. So what y'all think? Does that get that? So cute. This is the video, you guys. I hope you guys liked it. Thanks so much for stopping in. Hope to see you in the next one. Peace, love, and only good vibes. Bye, guys.